Have you ever pondered the fate of the North Pole as our planet warms? The icy world at the top of our planet, home to the majestic polar bears and the shimmering northern lights, is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Our story today is about this transformation, the changes that are already visible, and the potential impacts that are yet to be revealed. It's a tale of ice and snow, of life adapted to the harshest conditions, and of a world that, like a snowflake caught in the sun, is disappearing before our very eyes. The North Pole, a region defined by its ice, is warming at an alarming rate, twice as fast as the global average. In the depths of winter, when the sun never rises, temperatures are creeping above freezing. This is a stark shift from the sub-zero temperatures that once reigned supreme. As the ice melts, it reveals the dark ocean beneath. This darker surface absorbs more heat from the sun, accelerating the warming process in a vicious feedback loop. This phenomenon, known as the Albedo Effect, is changing the face of the Arctic. But what does this mean for the unique wildlife that calls the North Pole home? Creatures like the polar bear, which relies on sea ice to hunt, are struggling to survive. As their icy hunting grounds shrink, so do their chances of finding food. Rapid climate change is pushing these iconic creatures towards the brink of extinction. Yet the effects of this transformation are not confined to the North Pole. As Arctic ice melts, it adds to the volume of the world's oceans, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal cities around the globe, from New York to Shanghai, are under increasing threat from flooding. Moreover, the loss of ice is disrupting the jet stream, the high-altitude winds that have a major influence on our weather. This can lead to more extreme weather events, from heat waves to heavy snowfall, affecting millions of people worldwide. So what can we do to slow this transformation? Firstly, we need to reduce our carbon emissions. This means switching to renewable energy sources like wind and solar, and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. We also need to protect and restore our forests, which act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. Secondly, we need to adapt to the changes that are already happening. This means building resilience into our cities, our agriculture, and our societies. It means preparing for a future where extreme weather events are more common and sea levels are higher. Finally, we need to raise awareness about the impacts of climate change. The more people understand about the transformation of the North Pole, the more likely they are to take action. The story of the North Pole is a stark reminder of the urgent need to tackle climate change. It's a call to action for each of us. Remember, every small step we take towards a more sustainable lifestyle can make a difference. Together, we can help to write a different ending to this story, one where the North Pole and the life it supports has a fighting chance.